We just wrapped up the Draganfly experience, Draganfly's inaugural first responder user conference here at our 150-acre joint air unrestricted airspace. We couldn't be happier with the turnout for this event. We had more than 30 prominent agencies, industry experts, and valued customers on hand in a really immersive, collaborative environment, with the common goal of shaping the future of drones and emergency response.
We had a large presence at Draganfly's Joint Air Center to get an up-close look at some of our R&D initiatives and to witness demonstrations of our various technologies, capabilities, and the integrations of some of our partners' technologies on our airframes. Our partners include major players in the public safety sector like BlueVac and Agile Mesh, who were in attendance here presenting and demonstrating their systems.
Agile Mesh technology allows emergency management personnel to have wireless surveillance capabilities at locations where there is no existing surveillance infrastructure in place. We effectively created an incident command post as part of our presentation where Draganfly pilots flew their drones, which were integrated with our technology. And participants were able to witness the wireless reception of multiple incident surveillance images from various drone and camera stations.
Essentially what we did was we paired my FPV stream into their programming. So in their command center, they were able to see not just Overwatch, not just the cameras they had placed through their Agile Mesh network, but also through my FPV feed. So we were able to actually fly the drone up to the container where this demo fugitive was hiding, and I was able to get a first glance at them before we sent personnel in to retrieve them and bring them out safely.
Leveraging our feature-rich Juice UI, BlueVac demonstrated how our Blue Sensor and Blue Case detect and track drones while they're in the air via their RF signatures, and how the Blue Cam detects drones in the sky visually.
The partnership with Draganfly on the medical response drone has not only done wonders for CTS, but it's also making a big impact in Ukraine, delivering life-saving medicines and supplies and mapping out landmines, and we couldn't be happier about that. Draganfly's demo here this week went incredibly well, and we put those capabilities on full display for some of the most influential entities in the drone and public safety space.
Everybody in attendance got an up-close look at how our new precision delivery system not only has the capability to carry out deliveries via drop-down winch, but we also now have mid-air release mechanism that facilitates mid-air drops of payloads. And using the Commander 3XL, we flew a surveillance capabilities demonstration. We also flew a search and rescue mission where we leveraged color-based identification technology to locate a missing person based on a description of what they were wearing.
Our partners and industry reps were very impressed by our UAV systems and capabilities, but we've gotten a ton of praise and interest in Draganfly's 150-acre Joint Air Center. This is a state-of-the-art training center where a lot of our R&D, testing, and innovation takes place on our airframes and systems to ensure they are mission ready, and attendees also got a look at the various flight areas, and they got to see our gridded analog minefields that contain compositionally and anatomically diverse landmines dispersed in mixed vegetation and various geological formations to test our sensors as we replicate the many conditions that our teams and UAV systems are currently operating in Ukraine as they identify and map out landmines.
There was also a major presence here from state and federal emergency management agencies and ongoing roundtable discussions where all of these specialized groups have been sharing breakthroughs in innovation as well as pain points. And I am very happy to say that this networking is spawning innovative solutions and partnerships that continue this trend of advancing drone-based capabilities in the emergency response sector.
There were some major players in the first responder community in attendance, and the feedback we received was incredible. Events like these are the best way to get new technologies in front of the actual people who need it, and we were able to take away some valuable insights about what else the emergency management community is looking for as part of their ultimate solution. And that's really what it's all about, because it helps give Agile Mesh direction on how we can continue to innovate for future technologies and systems.
I want to give praise to Draganfly for inviting BlueVac out to showcase our technology in this beautiful open space among all these industry experts. And Draganfly has been great to work with, and showcasing what solutions we have alongside Draganfly's products really helped us get the ball rolling.
It's been great to have the opportunity to showcase our tech to some of the biggest entities in emergency response. But the real aim of hosting an event like this was to create a networking hub where technology, expertise, and open dialogue converge to help reshape emergency response operations so that we can collectively save more lives. I'm happy to say that some major strides have been made at this event.